We are still on the topic standard form. Now, the question was given to us that we should write the following numbers in standard form. Now, look at the number looks somehow, but it's very easy to solve. You see the number, the first one, which is A, is very long. The second one too is somehow complex, but these numbers are less than 1. In my previous video, I've touched writing it in a standard form when it is greater than 1. This particular one, it is less than 1. How do we solve a number and a number that is less than 1, put it in a standard form? This is a procedure. Let's take the first one, A. We have 0.0000000. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros are here. Then 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now this will be written as long as this number is, you can write it as very short. You can write it so short. Now look at what you're going to do to write it in standard form. Now, there are two ways. When I was still in secondary school, I understood it in two ways. I will teach you in two ways. Now, the first way is just count in front of the significant figure. Forget about the significant figure. Go to the values that are not significant. Now, count the numbers of zeros. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, in this now you have gotten the raised to the power as power 10. Now note, since you started with 0 points, you will always have a negative power. A negative what? Power. Now the second part is this. Try to take this point down to the back of the first significant figure. That is the second pattern. Now let's go there. We have, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Remember, I'm taking the point now. This thing I'm doing now, I'm taking the point. I want to place it in the back of the first significant figure because 2 is the first significant number here. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At this point, this will be our where the new point will be located. So what do? We pick only the first significant figures. Now we have 2.1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 10. You see it now? Once you start with 0 point, you will have minus 10. Once you have 0 points, you start a number with 0 point, and you're about to take that point to the first significant, to the back of the first significant figure, you will always have a negative power. A negative what? Power. Now the B part of it is 0.0087. The significant numbers there are just what? 8 and 7. So you use the same pattern. Either you count, you take your point, take this point down to this, from this place. You know, when you take this point out, like for example, as I take this point out of this place, the whole of this place is 0, 0, 0. There was no point again, so it's no more what? Necessary. So now let's take this point down to the back of the first significant figure. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Are you seeing it? So you write 8.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So this is your final answer. So this is how you calculate or you find the standard form of a given value that is less than 1. So in this case, this particular standard form I'm teaching you is very important because you're going to use this in logarithms and other mathematics concepts. So this is where we end the video. This is where we stop. Watch my YouTube channel, subscribe, drop your comment below, and I will assist you on your questions. So thank you very much. Thank you.